Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Poland. We all know about Poland's famous historical figures, but what about the innovators who are shaping our world right now? Today we're skipping the history books to talk about the brilliant Polish minds you've probably never heard of, but whose inventions are changing everything from renewable energy to how you shop online. Their stories are incredible, and we're diving straight into them. If you're ready to discover Poland's modern-day geniuses, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Olga Malinkiewicz. Now, Olga is a name you need to know. Her journey into creating revolutionary perovskite solar cells actually started with a bit of an accident. Can you believe it? As a PhD student working late in a lab in Spain, she was wrestling with some complicated equipment. Frustrated, she decided to try a super simple method to coat a sample. And boom! Just like that, she stumbled upon a way to make incredibly efficient, flexible solar cells that could be printed on pretty much anything. Think about that for a moment. Solar power everywhere. Now you might think such a huge discovery would lead to immediate fame, but it wasn't easy. The scientific world was skeptical of her low-temperature method. And then came the struggle for funding. She even turned down a massive offer to sell the rights to her tech, choosing instead to build her company, Saule Technologies, right here in Poland. Today, Saule Technologies is a global leader, and Olga's invention is set to completely transform how we think about renewable energy. Her story is a perfect example of how sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come from thinking outside the box and having the courage to stick to your vision, no matter what. Speaking of courage, let's shift gears to Zortrax. Have you ever wondered how those amazing 3D printed objects come to life? Well, a big part of that success story belongs to Rafał Tomasiak and Marcin Olchanowski. They started Zortrax with a simple idea: make reliable, affordable 3D printers. Their journey began with a Kickstarter campaign back in 2013. They had a modest goal, just hoping to get enough funding to bring their dream to life. What happened next was incredible. The campaign absolutely exploded. But that success, as you can imagine, brought its own challenges. This small team suddenly had to scale up production super fast to meet the insane demand. It was a baptism by fire, navigating global manufacturing and logistics, all while making sure their printers were top-notch quality. Their story really highlights how a passionate idea, backed by a supportive community, can turn into a global business, proving that even in a highly technical field, a strong vision can win the day. Now let's move to something most of us can relate to: scheduling appointments. Annoying, right? That's exactly what Stefan Batory, the brilliant mind behind Booksy, thought. He was just tired of the endless phone calls and back and forth trying to book a haircut or a doctor's visit. So what did he do? He decided to build a platform that would make booking any service as easy as, say, ordering a taxi. A simple idea, but executing it? That's where the genius comes in. Building a platform that works perfectly for both businesses and customers is incredibly complex. The early days were all about listening to users, constantly improving and adapting. Today, Booksy has revolutionized the service industry in countless countries, and it all started because one person got fed up with a common problem. It's amazing how a simple, personal frustration can spark an idea that impacts millions globally, isn't it? If you use Booksy, tell us your experience in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the Poland yet, now's the perfect time to do it so you don't miss more incredible stories like these. Our next innovator, Marcin Trader, had a similar driving force: solving a problem for his own community. Marcin is the co-founder and CEO of UXPin, a platform that's become essential for product designers. Marcin, as a designer himself, felt that the tools available were clunky and actually hindered creativity. He envisioned a tool that wasn't just functional, but truly intuitive, collaborative, and would genuinely help designers create better user experiences. UXPin was built with a deep empathy for the design community. Marcin and his team weren't just coding a product. They were on a mission to improve how designers worked. They listened constantly to feedback, literally co-creating the platform with its users. UXPin's success shows us that when you truly understand and care about the people you're building for, you can create something truly revolutionary. It's a powerful reminder that the best innovations often come from a desire to solve the problems of your own kind. And finally, let's talk about a name many of you might recognize from the world of e-commerce: Piotr Szulczewski. This Polish-Canadian entrepreneur, a former Google engineer, is one of the co-founders behind Wish. His big idea? To make online shopping more accessible and fun for a global audience, especially those who weren't being targeted by the bigger, fancier e-commerce sites. Piotr's background in computer science and his incredible understanding of algorithms were key to developing Wish's unique, discovery-based shopping experience. However, building a global platform like Wish comes with massive challenges, navigating complex supply chains, dealing with product quality issues, and battling counterfeits. While the platform has faced its share of ups and downs, and Piotr has since stepped down as CEO, his story is a compelling mix of ambition, groundbreaking innovation, and the intense realities of scaling a global tech company. It's a powerful look at the highs and lows that come with trying to truly disrupt an industry. So there you have it, just a glimpse into the incredible world of modern Polish innovation. From accidental discoveries in labs to solving everyday frustrations, these individuals and their teams are not just building successful businesses. They're actively shaping our future. They remind us that ingenuity, perseverance, and a deep understanding of human needs are at the heart of every great breakthrough. Their stories might be untold in the mainstream, but their impact is undeniably global. Which of these stories resonated most with you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you never miss another episode from the Poland. Check out the description for links to learn more about these amazing innovators. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.